Now, step C, layer 1, configuration of the logical interfaces. ATH0, layer 1 are these two tabs, radio, and we have a lot of parameters. For our purpose, we will set SSID, backbone, TX power 18 dBm, and we configure this advanced parameter as optimized for point-to-point application. Interactive bridge enable, trunk point-to-point link enable, RTS-CTS disable, fast frame disable, burst mode default, extended range disable, compression default, and wireless multimedia disable. We click apply on the bottom of this page and we pass to the security tab. UPH2 AES PC will be our security. So UPH2 AES per shared key, and the key will be essential. Okay, we finished all the layer 1 free passages. Step D, creation of the layer 2 logical interfaces. We want to create a bridge within the two logical interfaces we have, ATH0 and the ETH0 that is already created. So we need to create the layer 2 logical interfaces, switch. We create a switch with ID 0 that contains the Ethernet and ATH0 interfaces. Now we have this new interfaces bridge or switch that contains these two logical interfaces. Finally, step E, the IP address of the bridge interfaces for management. Interfaces BR0, General tab, we have all the configuration about the TCP/IP configuration and settings. IP address assignment static, IP address 192.168.2.10 with the 24 as a subnet mask. Apply also in this page. Okay. Now we change the last parameter, the host name, only for identify these devices instead the other. Apply. And we finished all the device A configuration. All the configuration now is saved only on the web server. We want to pass this configuration to the devices. So we need to click here to update. We are writing the startup config, and now the system asks you if you want to reboot the devices to apply the new configuration. And we reboot the devices. We will now pass to configure device B. I'm connecting my PC directly to the B device. The B device is reset to factory default, and we will configure it by connecting on the Ethernet 0 port. So we start configure it. User admin password default. Now we redo the same configuration step we saw for device A. Layer 1. Layer 1 is the union of the three passages A, B, and C. A, configuration of physical interfaces. In this case, we are using wireless 1 radio port. So, devices, wireless 1, Italy, distance the same of the other part of the link, so 1 kilometer, AH, and all the other parameters are okay. Apply.